Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful HTML email templates under 60 seconds, super easy, and I'm going to share everything you need. So this is like the emails that we are going to create with a lot of headlines, quotations, bullet points, and links, and we are going to do it under 60 seconds. So what we need this prompt that have the brand styling, layout structure, required elements, formatting guidelines, and you need to paste your emails that you want to redesign. So basically I already have the email here, so I just need to copy it. Then I have to copy the prompt. So what I'm going to do, you can use any like AI like Gemini, Claude, or GPT. So I'm going to use the prompt here, the first prompt, like I'm going to paste it here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste my emails that I need to like redesign here, and that's it. We are going to have a beautiful HTML template for email, and I'm going to do the same on Claude, and it's going to like help you with all the designing, because sometimes we need to create like 150 emails for our clients, as we deal with a lot of clients, and they are sending up podcast reminders, general reminders, transactional emails, a lot of emails, and it used to take like 5 or 10 minutes at least to design emails like these, but now we have everything. Let me just show you. You can use this with any kind of email editors that have the HTML feature rich sections. That's it. Like, we have beautiful emails here. And let me show you what Claude generated. Claude already gives you a preview. It's basically the same, and just look at the consistency of all the emails. That's it. Like, just look at the consistency between Gemini and Claude. And that's also regarding the prompt, because we have the prompt super structured. You just change your brand styling, layout structure, record elements once, and you are good to send like emails. You are good to redesign emails like all the time. If you like the video, enjoy and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.